Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. My name's Ryan. Today we're testing with my CZ 457 and the IBI barrel, Sellier Bellot Canadian Match. Not sure if you guys in the States or anywhere else in the world can get this stuff. I'm not sure if it's only for Canadians, but it was at the shop, so I picked some up. It's relatively cheap at like $6.99 a box, so that's like $4 US, I would say. And we're gonna test it at 50 yards. So let's get to it. First 10 shots are going to be in the center of the square, in that red big dot thing. And then we'll go around the outside of the square. 10 foulers, center target. Definitely sounds supersonic. And we are a bit to the right. So I'll bring her back left. Well, I'll go 1/10 left. Nine. Need one more shot here. Unless it only picked up 9 on the magneto speed, but it's showing 9. Pretty sure I filled her up. Anyways, we'll just move on then. So that was our foulers. Now we're going to go top left edge of that square. I come down 1/10 and we'll go left 1/10. That should get us more to my point of aim, point of impact. First 5-shot group. That's us shooting really well for the first 5-shot group. Group number 2 will be on the top right of the square. That opened up to about a 1/2 inch from what I could see here. Group number 3, low left. Three in the same hole. Of course, as soon as I say that, the other 2 fly out. Group number 4, low right. Okay. My camera just fell over, so I'm going to go pick that back up. For our 10-shot group, the final group of this test at 50 yards. Camera set back up. Guess the wind just barely blew it over. It's kind of leaning on a weird angle, so it is what it is. Now my heart's racing. I'm out of breath from sprinting 50 yards, but let's get back to her. Natural point of aim. Of course, the wind picks up. Well, anyways, let's just get to it. Shooting what we got, so. There we have it. So this stuff is pretty much the cheapest stuff that's worked extra well in this rifle. So this might be my plinking ammo from now on at $65 a brick, 500. Can't go wrong with that. It's basically, from what I can see, keeping up with SK long range match. But that concludes the test. All this data will be up now. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Remember to comment, let me know what you think, and let me know if you want to see something more like long range, different kind of shooting positions, something like that. Leave a comment down below, it helps us out a lot. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends if you want to. Subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, guys. We'll see you next Sunday for another video. The odd time I'll be putting out videos on Wednesday as well if I get anything else in the middle. So take care, see you next week.